So one of the things that we look at when we pull up to a home or we're driving through a neighborhood is how do the driveways look? So if you look at this house, the driveway on the left side is about 4 inches lower than the slab. On the right side, it's about an inch. Typically, you want to see about an inch, maybe an inch drop right there. So obviously, there's something going on here. But also, if you look at where the front porch goes up, it's obvious that that has sunk or the house has risen. So this is a pretty big likely candidate for foundation repair. We see this driving all through town. Something that's very noticeable, like you get these 2-story homes, we see a lot of brick separation on them. Sometimes it's hard to see from the road just driving through, but some houses very noticeable, and some of them are basically falling apart. Like we've run into houses that are about, a month away from collapsing, it looks like. But those are just a couple things that we look for. The roads in this area are pretty bad. They got a lot of humps and dips in them, which tells me this area is the soils are real bad. So that's a couple things you might want to watch out for if you're in an area and you live on a street that has a lot of dips in the road and a lot of potholes and the road just bounces up and down. Start looking at things at your house, because more than likely that same movement is happening under your foundation. So you're going to want to get that stuff fixed before it starts causing more issues, because once you get into plumbing and we have to repair plumbing because your foundation was so bad, or your plumbing or your foundation got so bad it messed up your plumbing. A lot of times the plumbing can get more expensive than the foundation repair itself, and people don't realize that. They think we can come in and fix the foundation for X amount of dollars and the plumbing will be less. Most of the time the plumbing comes out more expensive than the foundation. Now we do help, like, the good thing that we do is we help with insurance. We can actually help you set up your claim and go through the process of trying to get you approved for your plumbing repairs through your insurance, depending on your policy and what it pays out. But we do offer that service as well. So, but just keep in mind, just make sure you're watching out. This is your home is your biggest investment you'll ever make, right? One of them, and you want to make sure it's taken care of, because if not, it can get very, very expensive to fix it. So I appreciate y'all.